Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, and here we can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tapping on the button once, you can just switch this hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can change security protocol. Here you can change password. Here you can change IP band. You can set it visible or invisible for other devices. You can manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up maximum allowed connections, you can set up data restriction, and you can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected for 10 minutes. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.